this out, guys. We have like a solid 4 inches. Well, and the crazy thing is it's like spring right now. It's like my spring break is literally this next week. Then this happened.
Mobile weather lab there earlier today. Now he's moved down to I-25, which has been shut down along the border with Wyoming.
They have the CDOT trucks out here really trying to make sure nobody heads north toward Wyoming.
We're receiving reports of power outages and even some avalanche warnings in parts of Colorado. Snow is also hitting Nebraska and Wyoming as you take a live look right now near the Denver area.
So we did what any normal person would do. If you have a fort.
Yeah, there's the entrance.
Entrance is over here. Goes through and then takes a right, and right now I'm building the tunnel. So oh, hello. Welcome to my crib. This is my fridge and my gym. Please follow me. So this here is like my main living space. I have ample room for all my working out activities. Yep. Sometimes I try to do like tip ups, but you know, the ceiling, I had it custom made to where it would fit my back. So it's not necessarily good for, you know, lifting into the air. My fridge is right over here. Normally I just eat snow. A little too fresh for me today. That's it. Thank you for joining me on the adventures. Also abandoned cars. Here's our pack mule, Samson.
Yeah, he's guiding us. He's basically a sled dog.
Except wait, get the action shot. Yes. Now we're going to King Soopers.
Well, we'll try. We're just gonna get there.
We'll try. You look like an alien.
I don't look like an
No, you don't look like an alien. We made it to Super Kings. Right here. Pack each.
We are done now.
This guy's out here saving lives. Look at that. That's so cool. After this big journey of our fortress, it has come to an end. Let's send her away properly. That didn't work. Well, I mean, it kind of did. We're going for the Michael Jordan hike step to the
Here's Jordan on the pull-up. Yes!
If there's a fan out there, which I doubt there is.
Leave a like if.
This one's for you.
Unsubscribe if he doesn't bust through.
Yeah, unsubscribe if I don't bust through. This time I'm gonna do a Slim Shady pile driver with my knee to the promised land.
Slim Shady.
Redo.
Slim Shady.
My knee's through. So now you gotta subscribe.